My name is Koen Taselaar and I'm an artist from Rotterdam, and we're here at Make Eindhoven. What makes Make special is that it's one of the very few graphic workplaces that is specialized in large formats, and that's also looking for people to really experiment with techniques. I'm here as an external advisor to talk with the participants about what could possibly be possible at Make. Hello.
I'm Victoria Hoogstoel. I'm from France. I have different types of practices. My personal practice is more comic book making and graphic novel making. Half of drawing, half of writing the story. Think about storytelling strategies, how to communicate some ideas toward the story and how to make something that is also entertaining. Every time I make a new project, I try to find a technique that is fitting with the type of story I'm writing. So, for example, I made one sci-fi comic book that was all made out of ceramic tablets to show like this bit, like mythological aspect of some sci-fi story. I think it's time to experiment things that are a bit less goal-oriented. Making a comic is very goal-oriented. There is a beginning and the end. Now I want to try new things and I want to experiment with more color and do things that are a bit more visual and a bit less focused on storytelling. Take advantage of the residency to explore new technique and have fun with it.
I'm Bas Steens. I'm an illustrator from Breda. One thing that is a lot up in the stories is the desert landscape. When you're in the desert, it feels like you're 10,000 years back. This place tells a lot about humans because there are not many humans that are living in the desert. And then it's the question, like, why do they live there? And I think what also is a lot in my work is I tend to look for mysterious things. So I always find masks really fascinating. And they have something mysterious because there's someone hiding. I came up with the idea to do blind press because in the previous residency I saw someone doing that, and I think she also did it in aluminium foiling, and it gave this really like sculptural quality to it. And immediately went to the store during this residency to find like polygrammic paper.
My name is Alejandra. I am an artist. I work mainly with drawing. Drawing to me is a way of processing information, like a way of trying to dissect things that have happened to me or that I've heard or things I've seen, a way of digesting information and thinking not just logically, but also with feelings and sensations. The way I draw and the way I work is, I guess, layering, and I often start with installations that I translate into drawings, so the transformation from one medium to the other is quite a reoccurring thing. So I think I would like to try something like that with printmaking as well. And I've done a little bit of printmaking, mainly screen printing on fabric. Now I'm ready to do more.